Yeah. Success, look out for me. You better fear me. Music, me a seeker. I'm from a little bit of that, me a free.
I am the cloud in my float, man. First class to the world, me no coach, man. No, you know my league.
Good production.
Bobo. Hey, man. Higher than high, man. Zoom, I am the cloud in my float, man. First class to the world, me no coach, man. No, you know my league. Watch out now. Them no in my league. No in my league.
We're here talking. It's a bag of woman, and you know what we're talking about, right? If you watched my last week Tuesday, you'd have seen where Neville questioned the ladies of the production department upstairs how much they know about the World Cup. More like how much they don't know. Some girls know football, but let's get real. Not many ladies know much other than that the ball is round and the field green. So let's talk about what we do know. The hunks. I don't know how much hunks they are, but that's the prompter say. Shellan, Talia, and Jamila are here to tell us who they'd date. So I'm assuming we're going to get some people coming up on the prompter on the telly, and we're going to look, and you have in your hands some yes.
No, sir.
Right. I don't know why the producer put no sir on the back like it's so bad.
No, sir.
Yeah, that's what you really have to say. No, sir.
We couldn't get a maybe.
Okay, before we jump into that, tell me, how much do you actually know about football? Tell me, do you know a lot?
No, but we'll watch it because it's, I mean, it's the talk of the town, it's the World Cup, and sometimes as females we have our favorite teams. So, and our favorite players from the team.
Of course.
So, you know, we'd support and actually look out for when that team is playing. But we don't really know too much. Like the offside thing, I try to get it from me in high school.
I've been trying to
what is offside.
It depends on how many players are on the side of the field at the time.
You know, say, the game is moving so fast. How the referee count?
That's what the referee is trained to do. If they don't count how much people. So if him look at him, see the field, look every over, that's every.
That's such a lopsided.
Offside. Jamila, how much do you know about football?
Not much. I just probably know the most popular teams like Brazil, Argentina, but
you just know the popular teams, so you're not even know the popular player them.
No, we just know like probably like, you know Neymar and Messi.
You know Neymar, Neymar. Hey. Shellan, please.
I know a little bit.
Come, save us.
I know a little bit.
What is that?
You know, like if I watch I can scream out offside, and usually it's right. Like I go offside, and then it's right.
Oh, you know a lot. Then if you can show us.
Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna see the first player, right?
All right. Ready?
Are we ready?
Yes. What is now?
Arturo Vidal. But don't you know what we name him? But
I would date him.
Yeah. I have a no, sir. Jamila, why?
I'm not sure about the tattoo.
Oh, you're not a tat girl.
Oh, but that is exactly why I like him.
That's why you like him.
Yes,
that is exactly.
Tally?
I don't have a preference.
I never see that as your type too.
Really?
But...
No, man.
Okay.
It have a like a rude boy look to it. So okay. I think that's why, you know. Yeah, I don't really have a preference.
I'd be a no, but okay.
No.
You didn't get
No, it's alright. I don't want to
So it's 2-2, so 2 no son, 2 days.
Who's next? Balotelli. That more acting than that work for me. No, the two that said no, the two that said yes are no saying no. Why?
No.
Why, Shellan?
Kind of rough.
Why?
I mean, I like chocolate, you know, and I like when my man.
So what wrong with him?
Man, him just not my type.
Why no? Tell him.
You know, I would say maybe, but I don't have a maybe.
So turn the paper sideways.
So I'm go like this, right?
But also, you know, he has like you know, it's been known that he has an attitude.
Oh,
you know, like
he's
aggressive.
So Jamila, why you want him?
Tall, dark, and I feel like he's a little handsome.
Why is it that the tiny girls always like tall,
just like
big
to
guys?
be embraced, and you know, just
so we don't like the embrace too. Why don't you take with the tall man? Them want to left the tall girl them with.
No, can't
some
help
sharp
it.
man. Some sharp man.
Okay, next up. Nobody?
Nobody. What?
We just sit there. Next. Okay. No.
But Jesus.
Right.
No. Ima Ellie look like brother. That not work for me.
Next. That must have been an error.
That not work for me at all. No.
You know, I've learned not to count anybody out.
Okay.
So you say maybe.
They're giving him a maybe.
You know why I don't call... So, but suppose him would treat her like a queen and him...
But we're doing that.
That's what we're judging today. We don't know if any of them are going to treat us like queens or not.
Devil's advocate here, okay,
No,
guys?
but we don't have that option. All we can go by is what we see.
Right.
Because we don't...
Rough.
It's a little rough on the edges for sure.
I think we'd have to...
You know?
No,
You know what? Yes.
You know why I don't know dating because of my body.
Correct.
I know the answer to that
No,
question.
him have grey hair, so that means them have holy for wisdom.
Rubbish. Me have grey hair. What that mean?
Girl.
Why you saying that?
You know, I just don't think we're in the same part of life right now. I think I have a lot to learn, and he knows a lot of things, and I feel like I just have a long ways to go
Before
to just catch him up. Yeah,
I like older men. They know a lot.
Exactly.
So, get out of my business.
Yes.
They know a lot, so
Call
that's
me.
good. But it's not my time. So next person. Mercy.
Really?
we can't.
You know, says a setup.
You know something though.
You know, says a setup this.
I'm so glad I don't have a partner.
I told you so, I must say that.
Date him. Yes.
If you don't know a good photo.
I never not take up the
Just like
paper,
a
you know.
so.
Is there anybody else? Is there anybody else?
Was
The
that
ladies are
everyone?
pleading the fifth. Okay, come on. And you know what? As much as I love Messi as a player, I wouldn't date Messi.
You know what? Well, we've been able to
Messi.
see his whole
We
personality and
wouldn't
how
date.
he's...
We cannot judge off that because that's not what we have. We don't have it. But
Okay,
fact of the
fine.
matter is, I wouldn't date Messi.
If it wasn't Messi, like if it was, I wouldn't date him.
If you weren't in this interview, you just was going to drop down, right? So you don't have to drop. Okay, come, put up doing picture. If we're not doing picture, just make doing something right there. So come, ladies. Come, ladies. Well, yes. She said no, sir.
Just give my
Jamila put in the middle. She said maybe.
middle.
And tell us said maybe. I hope you feel good about yourself because you just did that to yourself. No, sir. You just did that to yourself. Do we have any more footballers to look at? One more, last one. Yeah,
All right.
everybody I gotta say yeah.
Unfortunately, guys, we are dating.
Since when?
We are dating. I just...
My youth, come here, girl, because apparently something like what we never know. But I do not understand how Neymar was not on this. Okay, I'm gonna put him on the list.
Yes.
Neymar.
Neymar's a little mama
I'm a husband.
Skinny?
Listen, we're working on it together. So
Oh, Raheem
Jim right now.
Sterling. Raheem. How about Raheem, guys?
You see, because him have a little, we know him Jamaican.
Yeah, we're going to give him
That's why you said no.
I'm like, yes, because he's Jamaican. He's like,
Listen, because he's Jamaican, you know what?
I know where she's coming from.
You know one of the main reasons. Oi, Ronaldinho.
I'm not
sure.
skills on the football field, so I date him, eh?
And I
think
said
so?
no.
Why?
I've seen his...
above teeth.
Yeah.
Just out of middle.
Did you just be mean to him because he has a little overbite?
A little?
I had an overbite and a gap.
Did it make goals for you?
I don't
Well,
know.
he's making
well,
goals, girl.
Yeah, man, and he also is getting married to his 2 girlfriends.
He's what?
You say?
Yes.
His 2 girlfriends?
All right.
2 wives?
Yes.
All right. Yeah, keep my live life.
You know what I want him again.
But you see, but that's really Jamaican and that's what you got to.
Here's my thing. Man, I want none of them. You know why? 3/4 of the time them they're on tour. And you know what tour is when you are not around as a girlfriend? Nextly, all of them have women that run them down for one reason or the next. I don't have strength to beat so much people. So guess what? I don't want none of them. Not one. The one on who can share on themselves out.
I would have tried.
I don't want none of them. Don't worry about when I go on tour. I know how to behave.
Yeah, when you
but